So in our demo today, we chosen to use earthenware flask in our sterilization. You can also use stirring rod. So the distilled water is used as the fluid, is the fluid that will supply the steam inside the plate. So this paraffin cotton balls is only used for the inoculation, which will be shown in the video later. Aluminum foil is used to cover the flask, as you can see. Okay, so again, this nutrient agar, this yeast, is again used for the inoculation of yeast, which will be shown again later. And electric plate, as you can see now. And procedure. First, prepare the materials and the take all the balls of the we're about 1 meter of distilled water. So
the previous now.
Next, turn on the electric filter. Carefully load the materials or apparatus to the sterilized.
When you open like that, then
Close the lid securely by pressing down. Wait until the reading on the pressure gauge reaches 67, which is 15 psi. Start the time once the temperature and the pressure is 121 degrees Celsius and 15 psi. While waiting, we are going to show you the video for the preparation of the media. So I will explain the video. Okay, as you can see from the video, this is the materials needed for the inoculation yeast. Thermocouple, this is the nutrient agar, which will be used as a media for the growth of the yeast. Saccharomyces cerevisiae, the distilled water, the autoclave there. Other materials such as Lysol or disinfect the material. So first, the material nutrient. This is the nutrient agar. This is partially dissolved pa na siya in distilled water, of course. So this is G3. So you know. Actually, the use of canning preparation of yeast is because we cannot use a. It's hard to have a microscope to see what's in the flask. So what we did, if your flask is not sterilized, basically it will form the contamination in your nutrient agar, especially dyan ang nutrient agar. Nutrient agar has more mga nutrients, mga kailangan para sa needed for a microorganism to grow. So first, it's just dissolving of the nutrient agar. Also, to hasten the mixing process, we also introduce a condition of this. So you can also diretso, you can put it directly sa autoclave para ma-sterilize ko diretso. So you can directly sterilize your media. And also with plasmas. That and insertion to the autoclave. Loading, nothing.
Away from
So as you can see, this part here shows that at around 15 psi. So that's you see it here. So it is throttled. So 15 just achieved, and we will be seeing that the corresponding temperature is exactly 121 degrees Celsius, which is also in accordance sa steam table. So after 15 minutes, so once 15 minutes is achieved, you will need to remove the pressure inside your autoclave before opening it. So as you can see, it is manually, the pressure relief valve is manually open to release the that pressure is removed. Let's fast forward this one. Basta again, the goal here is to set the pressure to 0 and to hear a clicking sound. That's the safety valve, that the locking mechanism of the autoclave. So go ahead and announce. So first, as you can see, the pressure is that to escape some so if I escape
there, away from you.
pressure must be used.
Ano siya. Yan, ito, away from you. Bilik sa, dito lang sa back.
So that is still the media that was put inside earlier. So that is the media color, medyo na siya, golden yellow.
Beer.
So the next step is to let the media cool first, because if you insert the yeast inside a very hot media, your yeast will die. So what we did to hasten the process, that's the part of inoculation. Later it will show. That's for preparation for inoculation, which will be shown later. So as you can see, the media is not pulled out of the autoclave first, because it's just too hot. That's for later procedure. We just showing you we did it. So there, we use running water to hasten the cooling process.
Be sure that the
topmost.
The one that you use, the rod that you use,
The screen. Yes.
Or don't place it there in that portion. You place it down.
Yes, ma'am. So let's fast forward. Okay. So this is the balance room. We disinfected the whole area first before inoculating the yeast so as to just for sterilization, so we can have a sterile media. So you can also use alcohol lamp. The purpose of the alcohol lamp is not to let the particles settle in, so float. So half of the media will be placed. This is a sterilized flask. So this is sterilized, unsterilized. So half of the media will be placed inside the unsterilized media. Injecting them.
That's you, Jeff.
Yes, ma'am.
You should have used one sterilizer.
Wala ang steering ba sa'yo?
Did you take the glass?
Yes.
Malimot ka, the left or which is left?
No, we did vertical or unsterilized.
Because you have traumatic experience on that. You still. Right.
Also, in transferring dapat na siya, you do it as quickly as possible because of the time.
So, as prevention, we covered first the flask.
In fact, we can have an area there which is sterilized area. The bahay ni Berry that can be sterilized because when you go inside, you have to step on because our shoes can carry.
So this part here is called the inoculation. So there are two ways to inoculate. You can use inoculating loop or a cotton swabbing. For cotton swabbing, it is rarely used since the use of inoculating loop is for research purposes. We only use the cotton swab just to show you today the effects of not sterilized flasks, unsterilized flasks. So first, the sterilized flask is inoculated first with yeast and covered with paraffin. Or you can also use cotton plugs. You can also use that you only use paraffin and also covered it with aluminum foil. And also this is the unsterilized flask. It is also inoculated with yeast. the medium goes down, it will solidify because of the hardware. So solid medium is it. So labeling. So this is we disinfected since we need to see it after 24 hours, so we need to have an aseptic area. So for the placement of our inoculated media, so there. Okay. So after showing, that's false. So that is after 24 hours. Kindly open the briefcase.
Open the briefcase.
So as you can see, the one that one is the unsterilized, while that one is the sterilized. As you can see, film is developed on the topmost. So that is to verify that some microorganism is present while the other one is not. Sige, you can pass it around na.
Sometimes you put it in the naman.
Wala rin kasi.
Isolate.
Just release. Just release. Asa mo bacteria?
So let's start the time. It's already 122, so let's start down. Once the 122 and the 15 PSI is reaching, that's the time. That's when you start count down to 15 minutes. Start counting. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so the countdown begins.
Face the audience, Ron. Face the audience. Crucify.
Parang for audience participation.
Para sa reason na magbago. Masang
Open the manual.
Question zero.
Yeah, it's very hot because it's thin. No? You have to be very careful, really more than.
After 15 minutes, the total pressure is released by manually pulling the pressure regulating valve.
It's the whole one. Don't open now.
Zero pressure is achieved.
And again, that opening, you follow. Ay, kasi okay naman na. So, yeah. Because all these gadgets or cooking evolve, right? It evolves. But it's a cell phone. The old cell phone is quite big, you know.
Napay antena.
Or the old computer is as big as this room. And so it really evolves even under. So there is safety lock.
Isang open wala kayo na.
You cannot open the pressure cooker.
Wala ka siya
If,
pressure.
that automatically locks. So because the old pressure cooker don't have the safety. Only because this is used for, you cannot use it for your, what you call this, for your industrial chemicals for food preparation. Pero aseptic na yan. It's for hindi mo ba yun? Nasa bakay ka.
So the gas is sterilized and it's ready for whatever procedure you have. That's quite good. So any questions before